going on, my untamed brothers and sisters? It's your boy Dan the Man with the plan. In today's plan, we are at DACC shop, as you can tell. Boy. Yeah, well, today it's a very special day because not only do we have an announcement towards the end of this video that I'm gonna let Antonio talk to you guys about, which is the owner of the shop, as y'all know, but we also have something to show you today. I just saw it pulling up the shop, but it's here. And I don't know if you guys saw it in the video, but hopefully you didn't. Hey. There he is. There's Junior. What's up, man?
Hands a little dirty.
It's all good. Let's take a look around the shop. See what Antonio's got going on. Woo! This area back here is basically known where you put top coat of bed liners. You can put on trailers and stuff like that. Damn it, boy! Oh man.
Went from this diamond plate to the diamond plate being covered up so that it can grab more traction. And this way, if it rains or whatever you're loading up, it's not going to go ahead and slip. But that's tough as nails up there, brother.
I'm telling you guys, this guy will do anything and everything that you can possibly think of. And if not, he'll make it happen, bro. Trust me. Y'all come by. Y'all come by. But this is looking nice, man. You do businesses too?
Absolutely. Yeah,
Oh,
actually, I do. I just did 2 trailers that load 6 go-karts, the golf carts also. So you do it all. I mean, if you have a trailer you want it nice for show or even just for personal use, bring it by. I'll definitely make it look really, really nice with this midline too.
We're gonna try to see if we can put this in the S10. You know how he's with it. Antonio is helping me out with all the parts, you know, on the paint, the color scheme that we're gonna go for, the bed liner, all that stuff, man. So let's see what else. Oh, and I'm gonna excuse myself from now because I know it is a little windy right now. The cold weather's coming in. The noise in the background. If you can hear me, awesome. If not, I'm so sorry. This is also his truck, his personal truck. It's looking nice, bro. Ooh, what? That's nice right there, bro. But like I was telling you guys, this Jeep is basically a regular Rubicon Jeep, but it's decked out completely. Let's take a look. Damn it, boy. Y'all please subscribe, like, because it's gonna be awesome. We got the painters out here. Woo! So y'all stay tuned. Remember, hashtag Mean Green Machine on the bottom of the comments. Let's go see what Angel's doing. Angel is a really good friend of ours. He's, I guess, the assistant manager of this place. Really good cat. Let's go see what he's doing. What you doing, Angel? Got some brackets.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, for the LEDs.
Yeah, the LED light.
For what vehicle?
For the 2017 Ram 3500.
Oh, the Ram. The white one that's back there?
I'm Selby.
The white one?
No, it's yeah, the white one there. Is that?
Damn it, boy.
There's my homeboy.
Junior? I don't even know why they didn't call him Antonio too. It would have been easier. It would have been like, call him Junior. Damn, I just can't get over the fact about that deep, bro. Can't get enough of it. He also does this classic cars, bro. This one just got a fresh paint. Damn, that metallic pearl silver color, bro. Just brings it out. Brings it out. Hey, Junior. Can I call you Junior? It's Junior, right? What we got in here? Hey, the Mercedes Benz. I'm gonna see. Dude. This is my dad's favorite car. Well, not favorite car, dream car. Oh, bro. I'm gonna go ask Antonio if he lets us open it. If we can take it off so you guys can see. Let's go ask him. Hey, Antonio.
What's up, man?
I was wondering, can we take that carp off of that Mercedes?
Wait, what?
The carp off of the Mercedes? Just to check it out what it is. What's under the hood? Or what's up, not under the hood, but under the... Yes! Bro, this is nice. Damn. Look at that, boys.
1962 Mercedes-Benz.
That emblem, though. 1962?
1962 190 SL.
Nice. Nice. We gotta put them back though. We gotta put it back. That vehicle right there costs about 300,000. Mint condition.
Another one over there that we're building.
Yeah, I saw that one too. It's beautiful. How much you say this has horsepower?
A lot.
Damn. Is this the same thing?
Same
Mercedes? 1962. What are you gonna do to this one?
Same thing over to that one. This is a full restoration from the exterior bodywork to the interior. Everything is being brought back to life.
Damn, oh my. Still has the original engine. All right, guys, for everything that you've been waiting for, thank you for making it till the end of the video. But Yahweh. Hey. Wait. Nada, nomás ahorita. Déjame terminarlo, el video, no mames. Nada, no, déjame terminarlo, yo te digo. Pero espérate, güey.
Dale chance para que.
Sí, para que te.
Oh, perdón.
Te dije, calma, güey, ya, para, córtale. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video, man. You guys have been showing a lot of love. So basically what I told you, like I promised you, the news that you all been waiting for towards the end of the video. And here it goes. I'm gonna let Antonio explain it to you because obviously, well, he's the owner of this amazing Jeep behind me. So let's see what he has to say.
Hey guys, so basically what we're going to be doing on the Jeep is going to be the final stages. We're going to be putting the aftermarket radiator on the vehicle. We're going to be doing the cold air intake. Everything's going to be from a performance company that I've been using for the wiring harness to the fans to everything that I've done on this build. So once we go into a little bit more detail, I'll explain who I used for the wiring harnesses, for the radiator and so forth. So right now we'll be finishing up the final things as far as harnesses that's going to go down into the lights. I'm really excited, not only because of the horsepower that this Jeep has. I'm not going to go into detail on how much horsepower it has, but I'll be revealing that to you guys down in the future. So keep tuning. I'm going to keep you guys on the edge of your seat. So stay humble and keep watching.
You heard it here first, man. Thank you for all tuning in. Like I said, this is coming from the shop of DACC here in Carrollton, Texas. Y'all come by and check them out. But like I said, man, y'all comment down below, like, subscribe, and as well, and always stay humble. Let's go see what Angel's doing. Hey, ¿Qué onda, güey? Thank you, bro. Thank you. So did you get that mounting bracket done?
Yes,
Let me
it's
see.
almost ready now. Just for make
Damn
sure
it, boy.
trying to made one for this.
Custom made here at your DACC. Oh, no thank you. You don't have to call me sir, bro. We're homeboys.
Mr. Daddy.